Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Deswita and I am from Nusa Putra University and my student number is 2024-007-0053 and my major is accounting. So today I want to share my presentation about the role of the mosque to improve Muslim life in the modern era. This presentation talks about how the mosque is not only a place for prayers but also a place for education, learning and helping the Muslim community. So I got this material from two sources. One from Ahlan or from journal, and then another from my lecturer's material about the function of the mosque. So now let's move to the next part. We start by learning about the core meaning of the mosque. So the word masjid comes from Arabic word sajada yasjudu masjidan, which means a place of prostration or a place where Muslim bow down to Allah. The mosque shows obedience, humility, and unity between Muslims. It is not only for worship but also a place for learning, leadership, and justice. So the mosque is very important in Muslim life. It helps people learn, connect, and live in peace. Let's see how the first mosque in history became the start of this important tradition. The first mosque was Masjid Quba, built by Prophet Muhammad SAW after the hijrah to Medina. This mosque was used for prayer, education, meeting people, and organizing the community. In the Quran, tell us in Surah An-Nur, verse 36, that أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم في بيوت أذن الله أن ترفع ويذكر فيها اسمه يسبح له فيها بالغدو والآصال. That means in houses which Allah has ordered to be raised and that His name be mentioned therein, exalting Him within them in the morning and the evenings. This verse means that the mosque is not a holy place where Muslims remember Allah and learn to do things in their life. So after knowing the history, let's continue to the modern rules that can help mosques stay active and useful today. Today, every mosque should follow 6 main standards to help Muslims have a better life. These are: the first is Imaniyah, to make faith stronger through Al-Quran study and learning about Islam, and then Ubudiyah, to improve worship like prayer, fasting, and remembrance of Allah, and then Mu'amalah, to teach like good behavior, honesty, and help others in business, and then social community like Habdu Minan Nas, to build friendship and care through charity and youth programs, and then educational center, to make the mosque a place to learn about religion and general knowledge, and then Da'wah center, to share Islamic message in a kind and modern way. If all these practices, the mosque will become a happy and active place for Muslims to grow in faith and good deeds. Now, let's talk about how the mosque can help build modern Muslim civilization. In this modern era, the mosque should again become a place for social transformation, to change people's life for the better, youth empowerment, to help young people learn and lead, and then interfaith and culture learning, to create peace with others. For example, in Indonesia, there is a Masjid Sejuta Pemuda in Indonesia. This mosque has many programs for young Muslim, like Quran study, business training, and da'wah through social media. It helps young people be close to Islam and also more creative. There is some simple rules we can follow as a Muslim. The first is keep the mosque clean, quiet, and respectful, and then join not only for prayer but also for education and social activities, and then help manage the mosque honestly and cleanly, and then use the mosque for learning, family help, and charity, and then use digital media to spread dakwah and good messages. The mosque is not only where Muslims pray, it is where civilization rise. So that means that the mosque is not just a building for worship, it is a place to build knowledge, unity, and peace. When we love and take care of our mosques, we help our community become stronger and closer to Allah. So I think that's all from me. Let's all do our part by joining mosque activities, learning more about Islam, and helping others through our masjid. Thank you so much for your listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.